Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off two-step verification by email on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click security and now here just click on it and it will be turned off. That's it. That's how to turn off email two-step verification by email on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.